Good afternoon, students. Myself, Phopase SCI from Department of Chemistry, Rao Bahadur Narayan Rao Borao Ke Mahavidyalay, Srirampur. Today, we are going to perform experiment based on pH. We know that what is meant by pH. pH is the negative log to the base 10 of molar concentration of H plus ions. Then we are also familiar with pH scale. pH scale, here chart of pH scale is pH from 0 to 14. If pH of the solution is less than 7, that means 0 to 6.99, then that solution is acidic solution. If pH of any solution is 7, then that solution is neutral solution. If pH of solution is greater than 7 up to 14, then that solution is called as basic solution. Aim of our experiment is to determine the pH and nature of some salt solution using universal indicator. Apparatus required for these experiments are test tube stand, etc. Theory behind this practical is there are 4 chemicals: ammonium chloride, sodium carbonate, sodium acetate and sodium chloride. These are the 4 salts. We have to perform pH of these 4 salt solution by using universal indicator. First, if ammonium chloride is dissolved in water to form ammonium hydroxide, which is weak base, and hydrochloric acid, which is strong acid, therefore its solution will be acidic. Second salt is sodium carbonate. When dissolved in water to form sodium hydroxide, which is strong base, and carbonic acid, which is weak acid, therefore nature of this solution will be basic. Third salt is sodium acetate. When dissolved in water to form acetic acid, which is weak acid, and sodium hydroxide, which is strong base, therefore resulting solution will be basic. Fourth salt is sodium chloride. When dissolved in water to form sodium hydroxide, which is strong base, and hydrochloric acid, which is also strong acid, therefore this solution becomes neutral. Then let us start experiment. Here I have taken 4 test tube labeled with capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. Test tube A contain sodium carbonate. Test tube A contain ammonium chloride. Test tube B contain sodium carbonate. Test tube C contain sodium acetate, and test tube D contain sodium chloride. These are the 4 salts. Salts are completely soluble in water because they are strong electrolyte. Then first salt, ammonium chloride. Approximate 1 gram of ammonium chloride taken in test tube. Then add little amount of distilled water to dissolve this salt. Stir the solution. Then add. It is observed that salt is completely soluble in water. Then add 1 to 2 drops of universal indicator and observe the color of salt solution. Color of salt solution is yellow. Then compare the color of salt solution to the pH scale, it indicates that this color is matches to pH 3. pH 3 indicate this salt solution is acidic because its pH is less than 7. Then write observations. Color of ammonium chloride solution is yellow and pH corresponding to yellow color is 3 and the nature of solution is acidic. Then second salt, sodium carbonate taken in test tube B. Add little amount of distilled water to dissolve the salt. Stir the solution. Salt is completely soluble in water. Then add 1 to 2 drops of universal indicator and observe the color of salt solution. Color of salt solution is exactly violet and then match this color to the pH scale. It indicates that pH 13 color is violet, matches to our salt solution. Therefore, pH 13 means this salt solution is basic in nature because pH is greater than 7. Color of solution is violet. pH is equal to 13 and nature of salt solution is basic. Then third salt, sodium acetate taken in test tube C. Add little amount of distilled water to dissolve the salt. Stir the solution. Salt is completely soluble in water. Then add 1 to 2 drops of universal indicator and observe the color of salt solution. Stir well. Color of salt solution is blue color. Then match this color to the pH scale. It indicates this color matches to pH 11. pH 11 also indicate blue color. 11 pH indicate nature of this salt is also basic in nature. Then fourth salt, that is sodium chloride taken in test tube D. Add little amount of distilled water to dissolve this salt. Stir the salt solution. After dissolving salt in water, then add 1 to 2 drops of universal indicator. Stir the solution and observe the color. Color of the solution is green. Then match the color of the solution to the pH. It indicates pH 7 matches to this color. pH 7 indicate neutral solution. This is all about this experiment. Thank you.